Hello everyone, Devjit here from abctutor.com, and today in this video tutorial I'll teach you how to assign a task, assignment to a student. As of now in my course there is no assignment. If I come to the curriculum, I'm opening the first topic. Here also you can see there is no assignment. Even in the second topic also there is no assignment. Now let me tell you how to assign a task, assignment to a student. So for that, first of all I have to come to the dashboard. At present, if I click on the Tutor LMS, here you can see there is no assignment option is displaying here. Even if I open the course also, let me scroll down and expand a topic. So here you can see there is no option for adding the assignment. So for that, first of all I have to click on the add-on, scroll down. So here you can see the assignment option is displaying here. Tutor assignment is a great way to assign a task to a student. So let me enable this one. Now again I have to click in the course option. Now let me open this course. Now scroll down and let me open the first topic. So now here you can see this assignment option is coming. If you want to assign this assignment in the first topic, you can click here, and if you want to assign this assignment in the second topic, then here also you can add it. So let me add a assignment in the first topic. So I have to click in the assignment option. So first of all I have to give the title of the assignment. I am giving the title as demo assignment. Next, here you can add the summary of the assignment. Suppose after completing this course you can ask a question to the student, like that. Whatever you want to write, you can write it here. Next, if you want to attach some attachment in this assignment, always you can do that. For that I have to click in the upload attachment. Next, whatever the content you want to attach in this assignment, you have to upload that to a media library. I already do that. Suppose that is my content. Click in the upload media option. Next, time limit. What will be the submission deadline for this assignment? Suppose I want to give 2 hours for the student for submitting the course. Next, total point. If the student answers this assignment correctly, then what will be the maximum point he or she can get? Suppose I am making it 50. After that, minimum pass point. For passing this assignment, suppose you need minimum 20 points, so you can mention that here. Next, allow to upload files. How many files you want to allow the student for uploading in the assignment? Suppose I am making it 2, so he or she can upload 2 files in this assignment. Next, maximum file size limit. What will be the maximum file size limit the student can upload it in this assignment? Suppose I am making it 4 MB. Scroll down and click in the update assignment. So in this way you can assign a task, assignment to a student in Tutor LMS course. If I expand this one, so here you can see your assignment already added. Scroll up and click in the update option. Now let me open this course in a private window. So for that, first of all let me copy this permalink, copy link, and open a new private window and paste that URL. So for submitting the assignment, first of all I have to enroll the course. Click in the enroll course option. So I already have a username and password. If you don't have, then you can click in the register now option. I already have it, so I am entering that. Next I have to click in the sign in option. So once you successfully logged in and enroll the course, this page will appear. So let me click in the start learning. So that is my first lesson. Make it mark as complete. Even for the remaining lesson also I have to do the same. So after that, once I click in the demo assignment, this page will open. So in the assignment page, at the top here you can see the assignment name, duration, deadline timing, and after the total marks, passing mark, everything displaying here. And hope you remember I already attach a demo attachment here. So by clicking in this option you can easily download that attached content. Next, whatever you want to write in the assignment, you can write it here. Suppose I am writing here something like that. Next, here is the upload file option. So hope you remember when I creating the assignment, I clearly mentioned there the student can maximum upload 2 files. So here you can see max 2 file is showing, and size of each file will be maximum 4 MB. So here also it's showing like that, total file size maximum 4 MB. Next, whatever the file you want to attach in this assignment, you have to click in this choose file option. Suppose I want to attach this screenshot. After that I have to click in the open option. You can upload total 2 files. For uploading another file, again you have to click in this choose file option. Suppose I am taking this one, clicking the open. So like that you can attach the file in assignment. Next you have to click in the submit assignment option. Once you click on that, here you can see it's showing that date of submission and how much mark you get in this assignment. It's empty. Even in the result is showing pending. If you want to edit your assignment, always you can do that. Now let me teach you as a instructor how you can evaluate this assignment and give the mark to the student for this assignment. So for that, let me come back to the dashboard. So again I am hovering on the tutor LMS. Now I have to click in the assignment. Once you click on the assignment, here you can see you already get one assignment. Click here to open the assignment. So that is the detail of the assignment. So next you have to evaluate that. For evaluating this assignment, as an instructor or admin, you have to click in this evaluate option. So here you will get all the detail of the assignment. So here you can see whatever the attached file student already attached in this assignment, and student answer also you can see here, student name, the course in which you integrate the assignment, that also displaying here, submission date, timing, everything is displaying here. So after evaluating, suppose you want to give student 30 mark out of 50. So here you can mention that. After that, if you want to give some feedback to the student, always you can write it here. After that, you have to click in this evaluate this submission. Once as an instructor or as a admin you evaluate that submission, then let me come back to the student window. So here you can see till the result showing pending. Let me refresh the page once. So here you can see you already passed this, and out of 50 you get 30 marks, and whatever the feedback your instructor given, you can read it here. So like that admin can give a assignment to a student and student can submit that, and after that admin can evaluate that assignment and give the marks to the student. So hope you understand the process. If you really like this video and if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification from my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.